how to fix links not working on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix links that doesn't work on your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard of the website. Now once we have been here, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. I can go ahead and head over the Wix website and I click on edit site. After that, we're going basically to head over the website as it is and we're going to start setting up everything. Now I'm going to be basically on this page, which is going to be right there setting up everything here and there. Now I am going to scroll down where I think that the links are not going to be available or not working. Because if you ask me about this and you tell me maybe you're going to have your horizontal menu or your vertical menu pages are not going to work, I would tell you that it is going to be a very small percentage that these links are going to be broken. Why? Because you're going to find them on the pages right there. If you have a page or a link inserted into a place, basically the problems are not going to be on pages but on links. They are going to be setting up an error, and if you do not see the error, it is going to be something that you're going to find here. You can see that we can change the link just right there, as you can see, and it is going to be a link set up just from here. Basically, the links are going to be some items or some sections, a part of a section or an item situated in an existing section into your website. If you do not have this section anymore, the link is going to disappear. So now back to this place, and let's say that this button is not going to work anymore. So we're going to click on the linked or the link of it. If it is going to be, for example, a web address, it is going to be understandable that you're going to have an external URL. So if the URL is broken or not going to work, you can go ahead and see it, refresh it right there. For example, I can go ahead and have this dashboard copied, pasted here, and you're going to click on done. If maybe you're going to have the link not working, you can go ahead and refresh the link or head over the same place where the web address is going to be situated. See if it is going to be your website, make sure that you're going to have the update maybe of the link handle URL is set up, and if it is going to be an external website or not yours, you're going to make sure that it is going to have not changed some of the characters of the URL, and you're going to click on done. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.